pick up at that point. All right, we're recording now. So welcome everybody to the October 2018 DSC Community Call. This one will probably be pretty short. Katie, who normally coordinates the release kit or the resource kit release on a monthly basis, is going to be out of office for a few weeks on PTO, just enjoying some time away. So probably won't have a resource kit release this month. I will go over the PRs that have come in and look for if we should do that, or if we should just if we should coordinate them into a single release that's announced, or if we should carry them forward and let them build up, or if there's any reason we can't just let the releases go to the gallery in more of a real-time fashion. So we don't have any like a list to burn down for this month or anything like that. But I do want to open the floor both for questions, for requests for new resources, for anybody who's a maintainer who would like to talk about something that they're releasing that would create a breaking change or anything like that. And I'll just leave the floor open to questions for a moment. And if you have any, feel free to just jump in. Okay. The next release is currently scheduled for October 24th. I know Katie had queued this up as being 1 week later than previous, but we don't have a list yet for what it's going to include. I see as pending pull requests, we still have the one that's mine, that's update services DSC. I just need to follow up on a couple of code fixes. It's been pending for a long time. I'll try to get that one done. And then there's a note for the XWin event log, and adding a note to it as being deprecated. And we're currently sitting at 20 issues. It looks like many of these are related to docs. Did anybody have an issue that they wanted to call out or escalate? Looks like by and large, I don't see any handoff of new resources that are pending. It looks like they've all been handled already. All of these look like they're related to they've all got documentation tags except for a few, and they're all needs review or in progress. Okay, we can make this one really, really short. Did anybody have anything else that they wanted to just like called in and wanted to talk about anything that we haven't discussed? All right, if that's the case, if we do hit that 1024 resource kit release, then obviously we'll have a list of new items in that. But with Katie being out of office, I wouldn't be surprised if we just let October slip and pick up all the resource changes in November. And before we close, did anybody have any resources that they really need that don't exist yet? That I can submit a help wanted request on the issues list if there's anything that DSC doesn't currently do that you need it to do. Okay, well that makes this quick and easy. I will stop the recording and we'll get this one published. And if anything does come up, then you can always just submit something that's new on the issues lists or submit a pull request, and we'll do our best to respond as quickly as possible. And we'll plan on meeting again next month. Thanks.